Hello guys, welcome back. I'm popping on today to do my very first layout for May 2022 for the scrap room. And I'm using the DoubleShot kit. And we have two kits that come in the DoubleShot kit, but this is the Echo Park Endless Summer, and it is full of these bright saturated colors, and I am the other side of smitten with them. I love the bright blues, and we've got this really great shot of green that I don't always see in summer collections, and salmony pinks, and all of the good stuff. So that's what we have. Now, in these papers that I have 3 different papers, and I have 3 cardstock and goodies. That's how the DoubleShot kits work. I have a complete unboxing for all of the kits that I received this month. I'm going to concentrate on this bad boy here, bring in this white sheet of pattern paper. Now I have these great stripes, love them. Look at, guys, look at the little crabs with their little pinchers, and it's a great tomato soup tone on tone. I've got a great yellow, so I've got all kinds of really good pieces. I also have one of the sticker sheets. I've got some chipboard, as well as adhesive brads and some die cuts. So I have lots of good stuff. But what I thought I would do, because I do like to get a little extra with things, I'm going to go ahead and cut out all of these stripes, distress them, pop them right onto this white textured piece of cardstock that came with our kit. And I think I'm going to throw some stitching lines in the middle as well. So let me do all of that, and I'll come back and let me show you my photo really quickly. This is a photo from a few years back of my oldest daughter on the beach overlooking the ocean, and look at that white sugar sand. So I thought that would be just about perfect for this layout. So I have a lot of busy work, but I'll be right back. I wanted to check in. I did those chores that we talked about, and I am loving the way I came in with it. There is like thick stitching in between each of my little rays, just in white. And I scuffed up my edges and put it on the white cardstock that came with the kit. And I punched out my photo, added some white cardstock also that came with the kit, and popped it on that little piece that makes it look like the sun. How fun is that? So now I just have to go through my little goodies, and I think I have a title piece that reads beach, and I might go ahead and pop that around here, you know, scuff it up, pop it up on some foam, all that kind of stuff. I think that would be super cute as well. Kind of like that. So I'll work on that. What else do I have? I like this summer days. Like, we're at a point where I just kind of like the way it looks so much. I'm like, do I want to put anything on here? So let's see. I have fun in the sun, tropical. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I like that too. I'm going to go like that. Tropical summer paradise. And then, let me see these cute little palm trees. Let's see how I'm vibing them. I might just have everything come right around the photo. So if I had that come in, that could go up on a little bit of foam, you know, just under these bits. This as well, I think I'll do the same kind of treatment, have it hold on to that upper wordy bit, and then I'll tuck in a few more things. Okay, I like that look. And I've got these really cute little brads too to tuck in here and there. But I think I'm going to keep it all right around the photo. So then, let's see, I can do a little bit of floral bits. Oh, look at the cute little whale. So I'm going to get these things on here, and then we'll tuck in just a couple things together, and this will be finished lickety split. Give me a sec. At this point, I'm just looking for a couple cute little things to pop on. So I have this really strong tree here, and I've got this little cluster I'm starting here. So I'm basically going to have just a couple things hanging out. And I was wondering what I would like best. I love these little fishies. I think I will. Yes, I have to get these little fishies on here. So I think I'll get my cute little fishies here and here, but I want to pop them up let's see what else I want to do. I'm going to save these little flowers and greenery bits for my next layout. I think they're so darned cute. I've got some shells, and I've got these really cute brads that I'm going to bling up here and here. I'm just trying to see. Now, I do absolutely love this flamingo, but the scale is making that tree look terrifying. So let's not do that. Let me see my little whale. Oh, I tore his little tail. No, I'm not going to use him either. Guys, I want to use everything all at once. So let me get these little fishies on. I'm going to get a couple of the little shells on, and we'll finish this up with the little brads, and that will be that. I took a look at this piece of pattern paper that we have right here. It is the multi-journaling cards. And right here, there was this cute little tropical coconut drink with a sun, and the scale worked nicely for me to just stick that right in there. So we can still see the cute little coconut. We can see the sun. I'm not popping that one up. Then I thought we could finish it off together with just a couple little sparkly bits, and that will be that. So look at this pretty little hibiscus brad. We can do that down here. Let's have this one. Ooh, that could go in the middle, but I like how it's sticking out. So I have a cute pair of flip-flops right there. I can do one uber sparkly gem bit on each side. And then how about one of these pearly bits on each? And that will be that on this layout. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to come and just scuff up my edges just a little bit more before I take pics, but that will be the end of that party. So let's just go ahead and pop one of those pearly bits there. A yellow one here. I'm going to scuff up the edges, like I said, just a little bit more for a bit more lift. And then we'll have still shots. So I'm going to have down below links for the Scrap Room Facebook group, website, and blog. And yeah, and I will be back ever so soon with another video, my friends. Bye for now.